Circulatory system. The circulatory system or cardiovascular system pumps blood from the heart to the lungs to get oxygen. The heart then sends oxygenated blood through arteries to the rest of the body. The veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart to start circulation process over. Your circulatory system is critical to healthy organs, muscles, and tissues. The circulatory system provides blood to all the body tissues so they can function.
What are the circulatory system organs? Your heart is the only circulatory system organ. Blood goes from the heart to the lungs to get oxygen. The lungs are part of the respiratory system. Your heart then pumps oxygenated blood through the arteries to the rest of the body. How does the circulatory system work? Your circulatory system functions with the help of blood vessels that include arteries, veins, and capillaries. These blood vessels work with your heart and lungs to continuously circulate blood through your body. Here's how. The heart's bottom right pumping chamber or right ventricle sends blood that's low in oxygen or oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. Blood travels through the pulmonary trunk or the main pulmonary artery. Blood cells pick up oxygen in the lungs. Pulmonary veins carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart's left atrium or upper heart chamber. The left atrium sends the oxygenated blood into the left ventricle or lower chamber. This muscular part of the heart pumps blood out the body through the arteries. As it moves through your body and organs, blood collects and drops off nutrients, hormones, and waste products. The veins carry the oxygenated blood and carbon dioxide back to the heart, which sends the blood to the lungs. Your lungs get rid of the carbon dioxide when you exhale.
What are the circulatory system parts? The parts of the circulatory system are your heart, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. Blood vessels, which include your arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood, made up of red and white blood cells, plasma, and platelets. What are the circulatory system circuits? The circulatory system has three circuits. Blood circulates through your heart and through these circuits in a continuous pattern. The pulmonary circuit. This circuit carries blood without oxygen from the heart to the lungs. The pulmonary veins return oxygenated blood to the heart. The systemic circuit. In this circuit, blood with oxygen, nutrients, and hormones travels from the heart to the rest of the body. In the veins, the blood picks up waste product as the body uses up the oxygen, nutrients, and hormones. The coronary circuit. The coronary refers to your heart's arteries. This circuit provides the heart muscle with oxygenated blood. The coronary circuit then returns oxygen-poor blood to the heart's right upper chamber or arterium to send to the lungs for oxygen.
What are the types of blood vessels? There are three main types of blood vessels. Arteries. Arteries are thin, muscular tubes that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart and to every part of your body. The aorta is the body's largest artery. It starts at the heart and travels up the chest, ascending aorta, and then down into the stomach, descending aorta. The coronary arteries branch up the aorta, which they branch into smaller arteries, arterioles, as they get farther from your heart. Veins. These blood vessels return oxygen-depleted blood to the heart. Veins start small venules and get larger as they approach your heart. Two central veins deliver blood to your heart. The superior vena cava carries blood from the upper body, head and arms to the heart. The inferior vena cava brings blood up the lower body, stomach, pelvis, and legs to the heart. Veins in the legs have valves to keep blood from flowing backward. Capillaries. These blood vessels connect very small arteries, arterioles, and veins. Capillaries have thin walls that allow oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste products to pass out of cells. What are the circulatory system organs? Your heart is only circulatory system organ. Blood goes from the heart to the lungs to get oxygen. The lungs are part of the respiratory system. Your heart then pumps oxygenated blood through the arteries to the rest of the body.
What conditions affect the circulatory system? Many conditions can affect the health of your circulatory system, including aneurysms. Aneurysms occur when an artery wall weakens and enlarges. The weak spot can bulge as blood moves through the artery. The weak spot may tear, causing a life-threatening rupture. Aneurysm can affect any artery but aortic aneurysms. Abdominal aortic aneurysms and brain aneurysms are the most common. High blood pressure. Your arteries work hard to circulate blood throughout the body. When the pressure force of blood against the blood vessel walls gets too high, you develop high blood pressure. When the arteries become less elastic, stretchy, less blood and oxygen reaches organs like the heart. High blood pressures put you at risk for cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Plaque deposits. High cholesterol and diabetes can lead to fat and other substances collecting in the blood. These substances from deposits called plaques or artery walls. This condition is atherosclerosis or narrowed or hardened arteries. Atherosclerosis increases the risk of blood clots and strokes, coronary artery disease, peripheral artery disease, and other artery diseases. Heart attacks and kidney disease. Venous disease. Venous diseases tend to affect veins in the lower body. Problems like chronic venous insufficiency and varicose veins occur when the blood can flow back to the heart and pulse in leg veins. Deep vein thrombosis, a blood clot in the legs, can lead to a life-threatening pulmonary embolism. How can I prevent circulatory system problems? These steps can protect the health of your circulatory system. Number 1. Aim for at least 150 minutes of physical activity every week. Second, eat a heart-healthy diet rich in vegetables and fiber in low and saturated fats and processed foods. Consider a Mediterranean-style diets or plant-based diet as they appear to be the most heart-healthy. Third, find healthy ways to ease stress. Fourth, maintain a healthy weight. 5. Manage conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. And number 6, get help to quit smoking.